Go.
Mike V, 303. I didn't mean to make that rhyme. Power hour. Okay. Monday. Couple of things. Power hour, we should get right into it, but I would be remiss if I did not do a couple of fundamentals before we get into the live action. Sorry. Okay. Look at that. This is what you do. Okay. When you sign into TradeGateHub, there's two things you should do. First of all, go press the red icon, YouTube icon, and you'll see, for example, Coach every morning, 8:30, several times a week, has esteemed guest on. You can go look at all our guest speakers, be one of our 7,500 subscribers, if you will, and our 1,600 videos. Okay. Coach's videos this morning, garnering 600 views, more than I get all week. You know what? It's quality, not exactly quantity. Then you go back and you open a demo or a live account. You freaking put money to work, because that's what I do. Test. How'd this guy do? Posted a couple of days ago. Guy went at 5 million. 5 million calls. Anyway, what we do, upgrades, downgrades, unbiased opinions. I've been on trading desks for a long time. I'm known to not give my opinion unless asked. Wall Street research, for example, also giving, like, for example, the Goldman Sachs rundown this morning. What Goldman Sachs sent their clients. I don't know how to, I do know how to interpret if you ask me. I might not play it exactly, but again, all stocks that are poised. Take a gander where these stocks are at today. Let's get into the live action. Screw it. Planeteer gave some back. Okay? The Planeteer at one point was down $8. So focus. Doesn't mean he was right. I was watching it. Literally. It was down $7.50 at one point. Then you go to the Big Daddy. Shorts momentarily winning with Planeteer. They're best not overplay their hand. 4 hours ago. What time is it? 3 o'clock, if you will. Go back freaking 4 hours ago. Okay, stock was 151, 158 now. Does it mean it's regaining, going all-time high? No. It means it's a trade. It's a trader's market. FinTwit. This is where FinTwit's making it. We're all chasing the same things. Scroll up, scroll down on my Twitter feed. What are we chasing? We're chasing SoFi. All right. Job is to make money, not be right. Do I really want to be right picking the bottom on OLN, Jeff? Yeah, I do. But, all right, we're all chasing, one of the iron. Rhymes with Byron. That's it. First of all, you buy it. First of all, okay, has volume, relative strength, never even flinch below a moving average to anything. Calls, volume, range, relative strength, sentiment. It's even heavily shorted for the type of move it made from 4 to 18. Is it a 3 drive? I don't know. That's coach's department. Is there some juice in the punch bowl? Who knows? But with the VIX still at these low levels, yes, it popped a little bit. You know, you'd let your winners, trailing stops. It sounds cheesy. Iron, right through the flag. 21.37 for those that are sharp. For those a little bit less, buy stop. Iron, new high. Some of them work, some of them don't. All right, so maybe you scatter a couple like that. Stock, BE. We're all chasing it. We're all chasing Rocket Labs today. Celestica. Calls, huge calls going off. October. Bombs. You. What happens if it had its day? That's going up just on speculation. It's not even fundamental. What happened? Has calls. Tesla, self-explanatory. Upstart, the boys are liking this one. I'm not going to lie. I don't know why, but they are. Eric Mangini, MGNI. They're all chirping about this one. All right. 3 days, 4 days up. I get it. Okay, am I buying this and playing 18 holes? 20,000 to buying 18 holes? No. All I know is the stock has it in it. It's had the most volume it's had. Stock's made a run from 20 to 26, 20% run. Another stock I'm watching. I mean, it's calls, top 10 in calls. This is one of these stocks that's not going to have like breakout. It's going to have a 10, 20% day. This is how it's acting. That's the company right there. EOS. Battery maker, holding the gap. The boot, the whatever. Still holding. It could have broken if I wanted to. Oh, wait a minute. I'm micromanaging it. I had too many shares of it. Now I don't have as much. You'll see it afterwards. I don't even know what I have. That's going to go. Stock taking calls. OPAD, new, sexy today. OPAD is the symbol. Not for me. Could that very easily be $7 after market? Yeah. Could it very easily go higher? Yeah. You know, that seems to be the one. UMAC calls. UMAY. UMAC calls. Open work. All right. You take a $5 stock. Okay. Who cares? Stock went from close to 5. It was up another what? 15%. PDD had earnings. Look at that afterwards. Roadblocks. Let's look at the ones that were strong in the morning. See if they. I mean, I didn't follow all the proverbial low floaters, but I did see a couple that have an interest. This one, Thar, great symbol, Thar. It should be Thor. I love Thor. There, but it has the word in it. Immune, therapeutics, diagnostics, anything, logistics, something sexy instead of Campbell soup. Thar. Well, Thar. Is the weekly RSI is at 85. Could it go after a little? Who knows? Thar. Another one. What are they called? INHD. About the 200-day. I'd rather concentrate on something else. Like EOS and I. You know what's taking calls? Last one. It's been on here for a week or so. SLS. Celis. It's got it. Life Sciences. That's close. It's close to with SLS. Got it in it. Makes the move like that. SLS is taking calls. J Norm. It isn't even the gap right here. It is taking calls. Good calls. Smooth. That's smooth too. Listen, SLS. Freaking killer messenger. Hell happened. I even said GoPro before. You didn't want to believe me? There it is. GoPro. Like I said, you might as well buy Children's Place. And well, moves. You want to know something? I don't think I've ever heard of it. Which is bullish. I don't know. You tell me. What the fuck happened here? You guys see me? Am I still in? I zoomed in and then out. You see that news? ARFK to pull COVID vaccine. Pfizer. I can't stand that company. It's like Philip Morris. It was just about to break out too. I hope it goes down another 10%. Washes out some sentiment in the market. France's worst day since April. Can't say there's not a dry eye in the house. Now Dietrich, he's going bearish. The biggest bull the past 2 years. Literally. Nevada Wednesday. What's this? What's this? OPAD, I mentioned that. UAMY, I brought that up. This stock could move. This stock could go up as the rest of the market goes down. Camps, Compass Pathways. C&Q buying. You know what I'm in and I like? I'm still in it. I just looked at it again. This is the strongest freaking oil company out here. Suncor Energy. As I see C&Q, which is a Canadian tar sands. SU. Sue you. Something's up with this thing. This thing was taking so many calls for years. Anyway, SU. Any questions? What's going on here? The C&Q. Futures going. You know what's hurting me? QUB. There's my Lucid. I told you. I told you I was doing it. Not that I think everybody believes me. I'm not here to waste your time with bluff. Trust me. We both have better things to do. Right before I signed off. Had to do it. I'm up in it. Somehow. I'll fuck it up. Just put 88,000 Lucid. Right before. CCL even came back, huh? CCL work came back even with crude. Article. C&Q. I thought this thing was taking over C&Q. Look, I have two pairs of glasses on, so long. When I see C&Q, I also do look at SU. Maybe they're buying SU. QUBT. They have leaps in it. Now they don't want it anymore. It's an AI play. I don't want to hold this thing. God forbid the NVIDIA call's bad. Then I'm buried in this thing. You know what I mean? ZK. How does this not work? The Chinese stock. This thing should have. See this close with all the other Chinese. This stock should be up if the horrible. How did that not work? I'm an investor. UPXI this morning. That's me. I said I couldn't look. This looked beautiful. It was trading above higher, above 8, well above 8, not well above 8, 811, I believe. Friday afternoon. Look at this close. Above the gap, volume. So I'm saying to myself, so I took like 8,000. No big deal, you think. So I'm freaking looking at this. I said, all of a sudden, the stock closed at 792. I turned around, it was 716. It's down like 20. So I'm freaking pressing, boom, look at this. Freaking firing away UPXI right here. 715, taking out offers, 720. Then I finally get out and sell a good chunker out of it at like 770. Now I'm in a little bit, but sometimes you do damage control, that type of situation. Sellings. Yeah, Planet Labs goes with RKLB. How do you not like this? Do I not add the Planet Labs here? If I didn't own Planet Labs, PL, would I buy it? Well, the first thing I'm going to go to is because I'm a seasoned guy. It starts off, it's not like, it can only fit so many. It's not like I've been watching PL for the last 28 trading years. So taking calls, relative strength, above all the moving averages, right sector. God forbid it goes the RSI 62. So if I didn't own it, would I buy it? The answer is hell yeah. In a minute. I'm going to buy more. Planet Labs. Planet Labs. It's not the real lab you want to hear of, but it does have rockets. I wish it was the other lab. God forbid they would cure cancer, do something cool. What is this? I think I'm going to live test. I want DSLL. Not as long as much as I should be. 16,000. Planet Labs, big down, big SU, adding to a winner. That's what I do with freaking here. BFC, QUBT. Fuck you. EU, it's buying it on the way down. They don't want it now. F you. I'm gonna leave it there. See what happens. 'There's SU. CVE. Okay, so the group is going. CNQ, CVSU. It's the one. Find more. I don't care what happens. $10,000 TSLL. I should have 80,000 easily. I'm embarrassed, but I might. No, I shouldn't have 80,000. Right now, I should have 56,000 Lawrence Taylor. Ready for freaking battle. Tesla. If I really step it up, I'll go at 8,000 after the Hall of Famer and greatest wide receiver ever, Michael Irvin. But I might scale down to 22,000, which is the number of the two greatest, one of the two top 10 greatest athletes of all time. 22,000 being who? Emmett Smith and Mike Bossy. I only do share sizes predicated upon uh, my favorite athletes. 18 Darryl Strawberry, 16,000 Dwight Gooden, only even numbers. Okay, want to get an idea what's up with the market? All these stocks hit 52-week highs today. There's the list. Behemoths in all respective sectors, if you will. Google, SoFi, Carnival, Archer Daniel Midland, Dillard's. Yes. Yeah. You know how I feel about Dillard's? When I look at Dillard's, I look as Macy's going to eventually go. Bulls was the one. They already squeezed it, though. DFCM in it. A freaking waste of time. Might be. We'll do better later. Be in the room. See how the market closes. Approaching 3:25 p.m. Eastern.